This is a quick video on using danger in your advertising campaigns for your commercial cleaning, janitorial, or carpet cleaning service, commercial carpet cleaning service. And what we're going to talk about real quick is how to use danger. And we're going to show a couple print examples, but this can apply to digital advertising, your website pictures, a print, a postcard. It doesn't really matter. The concept is the same. And the reason we want to use danger in our advertising is to draw attention. Now, I know that a lot of people in the cleaning industry, when they put together advertising pieces, that they want to put cleaning stuff in, and that's great. Before and after pictures are very effective, especially in social media when you only have a couple seconds to grab attention. They know what you do, so that's a good reason to use that. But you can also grab attention in other ways and separate yourself from the pack. So that's why we're trying to do it, is we don't want to look like every other cleaning company who's using the same stock photos over and over and over again. Not that I'm against stock photos, but everybody uses the same one, so you can kind of blend in. So that's one of the reasons we want to do it. And there's three, here's the theory behind all this. There's three things that humans just cannot avoid looking at. One is danger, the other one is food, and the other one is sex. When images or videos of those three subjects come across, we have to look. Even if it's just for a second, we have to look. And seeing we're in the commercial cleaning industry, using danger is a good way to do it. Food is another one. That'll be a topic in another blog. And sex obviously is one that is just not going to work for us, and we want to stay away from. So that's why we're doing it, because danger is something people can't avoid looking at, so we can grab their attention. The trick is to try to come up with a headline in some way. So we're just going to scroll through a couple examples of flyers that we have where we use danger. And in this one, it's a person standing at the top of a mountain, and we're saying don't take a leap of faith. So that's one of the big things is, when we do create a picture of danger, it's just somehow come up with a headline that that connects with the picture and into cleaning, because that's often how managers feel, is like they're taking this leap of faith when they're hiring a cleaning company. And the next one is uh, watch out for that next step. And this is something, especially in floor care, where this is very important. And that's something, it's not dangerous in finger quotes, really, but it's something that people would look at. And as long as we tie it together, it makes sense. And the last one, real quick, is a newer one that we just created. And it's when having the right equipment and training is everything. And well, it's everything when you're hanging from a cliff. So that's kind of the tie-in. And just to one more time, just to emphasize why we're doing this, we're doing it to draw attention. When you have a picture like this, or someone standing at the top of a cliff, or the original picture of somebody balancing, this one, maybe we would make a headline about a balancing act is trying to hire the right janitorial service, a real balancing act. That would be a good headline to use with something, a picture like this, because it just draws people in. And in advertising, that's what we want. We want attention. We don't want bad attention, though, but we do want attention. And this is just a simple way to draw attention to yourself. So I hope that you enjoyed this and that you use it in the future. Our website is methodcleanbiz.com, and I hope that you check it out.